lawyer in Delhi uploads a 400-page tender document, asks ChatGPT one question, gets a confident, detailed and beautifully written answer. There is just one problem. Clause 47, the one the AI quoted, it doesn't exist at all. The AI made it up, word for word with total confidence. This is the single most dangerous thing about AI right now. And today, I'm going to show you just one tool that fixes all of it. Let's talk about what is actually happening. Large language models, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, all of them, they don't read your documents the way you think. They predict the next most likely word. That's it. Most of the time, that is brilliant. But when you feed them a long, dense document, a legal contract, a tender, a research paper, or a policy file, then something breaks. They start filling gaps, a number here, a clause there, and a citation that sounds real but isn't. This is what we call as hallucination. Sounds harmless, but it is not. Because here is who's affected. The lawyer reading a 300-page tender, trying to find the eligibility criteria. The researcher going through 40 papers for a literature review, the CA reading the updated tax code, the founder going through a term sheet before signing away equity, the student trying to actually understand a textbook, not just skim it. For every one of these people, a made-up answer isn't just an inconvenience, it's a wrong bid, a missed clause, a bad citation in a published paper, and a signature you can't take back. The problem was never that AI is powerful. It is that AI is confident even when it is wrong. So here's the question nobody was asking. What if you built an AI that is not allowed to go outside of your document? An AI that only knows what you gave it. That is NotebookLM, Google's research tool. And it is built on a completely different idea. ChatGPT is trained on the entire internet. So it will answer anything, including things it doesn't actually know. NotebookLM does the opposite. You upload your sources, your PDFs, your contracts and your papers, and it answers only from those. If the answer isn't in your document, it tells you. It doesn't invent anything on its own. Now here's the feature that makes this real. Citations. Every single answer NotebookLM gives you comes with a little clickable numbers. Click one and it jumps you to the exact line on the exact page where it got that information from. Think about what that means for a lawyer. Let's say you ask, what is the eligibility criteria in this tender? It answers and shows you the clause 12, page number 34. You click, you verify in just 2 seconds. You're not trusting AI, you're using the AI to find the source, then checking it yourself. That's a whole shift from believe me to here, see it for yourself. Now here's the honest thing. NotebookLM still runs on an AI model. Google itself says it can occasionally get things wrong. No AI today is 100% perfect, but there's a massive difference between an AI that makes up source and an AI that hands you the source to check. One hides its mistake and the other makes them catchable. For legal, for research, for anything that actually matters, the difference is everything. Okay, so NotebookLM is grounded and it cites, but what can you actually do with it? This is where it goes from useful to slightly unfair. Number one, just ask it. Upload your document and chat with it. Summarize the payment terms, what are the penalties for the late delivery, list every deadline mentioned. It answers with citations from the file. Number two, audio overviews. This is the famous one. Upload your sources and it generates a podcast. 2 AI hosts discussing your document, your tender, your research, your notes in plain conversation. The researcher listens to a breakdown of 40 papers on the drive to work. Your material is turned into a discussion you can listen to. The best part is, you can also jump into the conversation and get your doubts cleared. Number 3. Video overviews. Same idea but visual. A narrated walkthrough of your topic built from your own sources. Number 4. Mind maps. It lays out everything in your document as a visual map. One glance and you see the whole structure. You can also click any branch and it opens a focus chat on just that part. Number 5. Flashcards and quizzes. This is for the students. It generates them from your own material. Not generic questions off the internet, but the questions from your own notes. The best part is, it saves your progress. Mark what you got, what you missed, and run the missed ones again. Number 6, and this is the big one, 1 million token context window. In plain English, it can hold a huge amount of data at once. Basically, you can feed it an entire semester notes, a full case file, a stack of research papers, and it connects the dots across all of it, not just one document at a time. Now here is what nobody is talking about. In June this year, Google gave NotebookLM a serious upgrade. Every notebook now gets its own secure cloud computer, which means it can write code and run it. You can upload 3 years of invoices as spreadsheets. Before it could tell you what was in them, now it can actually analyze them, calculate, find trends and build you a table. It can also now go out and find sources on the web for you. You start with a rough idea and it helps you to build the research pile from the scratch. Here's the honest catch so that you're not surprised. The agentic upgrades, basically the code and the web search, are rolled out to the paid tiers first, basically the ultra and the business accounts. But it will reach everyone else in waves. But the core of it is the chat, the citation, the audio, overviews, flashcard, quizzes, mind maps, and the million token brain. All of that is available on free plan as well. To avail this, all you need to have is a Google account and no card. Let me explain this with an example. A student in Kota preparing for JEE can upload the syllabus, generate a podcast, revise on the walk to their coaching. A CA aspirant can drop in the updated tax code, ask what changed this year and get it cited back. A lawyer or a consultant reading government tenders can get the exact use case we started with. Now every answer comes with a clause number attached to it. A founder reading a term sheet at midnight can ask it what you are actually agreeing to and verify each point. This isn't a someday tool, guys. Kerala's government is already teaching parents to use AI. The people who move here first have a real edge. So here we are. The problem with AI was never the power. It was the confidence without the proof. NotebookLM's answer is simple. Don't just trust it, make it show you where every answer came from. For anyone who reads long documents for a living, this is the AI tool to learn. It's free, go try it and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.